Now in this video, I'll let you guys know all about the Samsung Galaxy A50, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos super often here in YouTube. And if you're returning as a subscriber, hey, hello guys, nice to see you. Now starting from the unboxing, the Samsung Galaxy A50 comes in a white box with the phone's visuals in front. Then looking at the back, you'll find some of these specs over there. And opening up the box, you'll immediately find the phone inside. Then looking at the inside of the cover of the box, there's a clear phone case and a quick start guide. Then underneath you'll find the headphones jack. Then underneath you find the included earphones, the USB-A to USB-C cable, the 9-watt charging brick, then the SIM ejector pin is tucked behind. Now starting from the phone specs, the A50 comes with the Exynos 9610 chipset with the Mali G72 MP3 GPU. Now in Malaysia there's 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage variant, and it comes shipped with Android 9 Pie with Samsung's One UI, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.0. Now in terms of color choices, the Samsung Galaxy A50 comes in black, and then there's white, which I have right here, #whitelove, and it comes with blue and coral as well. Now going through the design and build, the A50's back is also made of plastic like the other A-series phones, which looks very close to glass, but the phone's back finish kind of reminded me of the Samsung Galaxy S10's ceramic finish, which was really nice. And then the 3 cameras are also placed on a vertical position like the other A-series, and the device also comes with the in-display fingerprint sensor. Now the fingerprint sensor is not the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor like the Samsung Galaxy S10 series phones, so unlocking the fingerprint sensor may not be as fast. Now as for the ports and buttons, the volume rocker and the power button is placed on the right, and then below you'll find a USB-C port, a single mono firing speaker, and the headphones jack, and the SIM card slot and the micro SD card slot is available on the left, which supports up to 512 gigs of storage. Okay, let's look at the phone screen. It has a really nice 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, which looks nice. As you guys know, it comes with the Infinity U display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a high 86% screen to body ratio. Now going through the phone's camera specs, there are 3 lenses. First is a 25MP f1.7 aperture lens, an 8MP f2.2 aperture ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP f2.2 aperture depth sensor, which is used for the live focus features. Where based on the pictures, as you guys can see, it looks nice and vibrant, not too saturated like how the previous mid-range phones were. And once again, Samsung has really improved on the software strength on the live focus feature for the blurred background. Now the night shots were properly optimized based on the environment, and although there's no night modes, the city lights were just nice and bright with proper details on the buildings. Then looking at the front camera, it has a 25MP f2.2 aperture lens, where the regular selfie and the live focus mode was also again really nice with absolutely no complaints on it. Now as for the phone's video, it has the highest recording quality of only 1080p up to 30 frames per second. Now you can change the recording lens to telephoto to wide, but that can only be done just before you record the video, and the image stabilization was better on the wide angle lens. And of course, also stay tuned for my full vlog video using this phone during my trip of the Samsung Galaxy A series event, which will be coming out really soon. So with that, hope that answers your question. Kurau Serai. Now as for the phone speaker playback, there is a single mono firing speaker as mentioned. The speakers was decent, there's no complaints, but it was okay overall, and here's a quick sound test. Now the good news is there is no compromise when it comes to the phone software. It comes with Android 9.0 Pie with the One UI skin, which was great, and navigating and multitasking wasn't an issue. So that's your answer, Abang Muhammad Alif and Diboj Yoti Basu. Then looking at the phone's battery life, I got a very good battery life out of the phone, and this is me using the phone as a daily driver and also vlogging as well, which was pretty neat. Now gaming on the phone was great and there was no issues like running high graphic games like Asphalt 9 and PUBG at high quality settings, but I did feel just a bit warmer during a longer gameplay. Now in conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A50 is a great mid-range smartphone within the price range and what it offers based on my real-time usage and especially vlogging on the phone. So if that is your price range, you can go for that based on a price of 1,199 ringgit for the 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage variant. It is very much great for its price and it is available at Samsung Experience stores, and I'll link those websites down at the description below. Alright guys, do let me know if you have any further questions about the Samsung Galaxy A50 down at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my full video review of the Samsung Galaxy A50. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in the next video.